Oh, hi friends, and welcome back to Lollybeep Ridge. Today's project in the kitchen is making pumpkin fluff. It's one of my favorites. Let's go. All right, friends, so it is fall, which is one of my favorite seasons of the year. So I thought, let's go ahead and make my favorite fall treat, which is pumpkin fluff. So tasty, this pumpkin fluff. It's like a pumpkin pie, but fluffier. I'm so excited. Okay, so what is the first rule when we do any project in the kitchen? Yeah, we need to ask our grown-ups permission before we start any projects. So while we're asking permission, don't forget to ask your grown-up to follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Lollybeep Ridge. And if you decide to make your own pumpkin fluff, have them snap a picture and tag us at Lollybeep Ridge so we can follow along on your baking projects. And we'll even feature you in one of our stories. Okay, so we've asked our grown-up for permission. Now, we better put on our apron. I love it when it does that. Okay, we have our apron on to protect our clothes, and we'll kind of use it to wipe our hands as well because sometimes this can get a little bit messy. Speaking of hands, we better go wash them. All right, friends, make sure you use soap and warm water and scrub your hands really, really good before you do any project in the kitchen. All right, now that our hands are all clean and dry, it's time to start mixing together our ingredients. So for this project, we are going to use our big, strong arm muscles to mix everything together. Are you ready? Okay, so first let's start by putting our pumpkin puree in the bowl. And make sure to scrape the bowl so you get it all in there. We don't want to leave any pumpkin behind. Okay, and then next we're gonna add in our instant vanilla pudding. I almost said chocolate. That's not what we're making today. Okay, so in the bowl it goes. And then we're gonna add in our pumpkin pie spice. That is gonna make it taste just like a pumpkin pie, which is also one of my favorite fall desserts. And last but not least, we're gonna add in our Cool Whip. Wanna make sure to get all of that in as well. Okay. So we're gonna set that aside. And then we're gonna use our spoon. Look, I already got my hands dirty. We're gonna use our spoon and our big strong muscles and we are gonna mix it together. Whew. How's your arm doing? Yeah, it's a little bit of a workout, isn't it? But it's worth it at the end. Okay, so we have just a little more stirring to do. right. I think that looks pretty good. This looks amazing. Look how delicious that looks. Okay, so now we need something that we can dip into it so we can see how it tastes. Oh, it's a ginger snap cookie. Oh, these go really well with pumpkin fluff. And if you want to do a project for ginger snap cookies, let your grown-up know that the link is in our description below. Yeah. All right, friends. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna try our pumpkin fluff. Are you excited? I'm excited. Okay. We're gonna dip a little bit in. That is so delicious. Okay, so while we're tasting our pumpkin fluff, let's take a look at what ingredients we used to make this recipe today. Cool Whip, pumpkin puree, vanilla pudding, pumpkin pie spice. Oh, you're back already. Okay, let's look at the tools that we used. A mixing bowl, spatula, and a mixing spoon. All right, friends, well, thank you so much for joining me here in the kitchen today to make our pumpkin fluff. Don't forget to ask your grown-up to follow us on Instagram or Facebook at Lollybeep Ridge. And if you make your own pumpkin fluff, I would really love to see a picture of it. They can take a picture and tag us at Lollybeep Ridge. And maybe even leave a little comment and let me know how you liked it. That sounds like a great idea. All right, friends, I'm gonna take another taste. But I hope to see you again soon.